Hey, all wild weather here for liveweatherblogs.com. It's coming up on 3 o'clock, so this little advisory here on Tropical Storm Debby. 40 mile per hour winds as of 2 p.m. Moving east-northeast at 5, so clearly you can see the low-level circulation not far at all from Cross Keys City. Just about ready to come on shore, and it will in the next hour. Between now and 4 o'clock, this should be on shore. There it is right there. This level of a swirl getting ready to come on shore, and it is moving off to the east-northeast. So in this general fashion, look this to come on shore in Cedar Key to Cross Keys, Florida, and then go across here, reemerge probably just south of Jacksonville near Flagler Beach, and then Fernando Beach, and then out into the Atlantic. Should be far enough north, moving east-northeast in this general fashion, that it should continue moving off to the east-northeast. And the clue to that today is these clouds here being shoved off to the east-northeast. Here's a look at the radar, even more evidence that you can see. Here's your low-level circulation getting ready to move on shore right here. It'll move across just north of Gainesville and then reemerge just to the south of Jacksonville, and then come out here into the Atlantic here. See this line right here. Basically, the storm really won't go any further north than, say, this line. So if you draw a straight line going this way, this should be the eventual track of Debby. Models came in this afternoon, GFS and Euro, and they seem to be pretty much agreement that this is going to head east-northeast and in fact take the 70% chance route that I had this morning. East-northeast and the easy route and out to sea instead of coming up the coast. And we'll keep an eye on it though still. Crazier things have happened, but here it is right now. Tropical Storm Debby probably downgraded to a depression by 5 o'clock as she moves in overland probably for about, I would say 5 to 8 hours over this land here, and then reemerge. Maybe it picks up some speed, but at 5 miles per hour, it's going to be over land for quite a while and then come out over here and probably redevelop in a tropical storm again and head on out. We'll have to wait and totally to see if that is going to come to fruition, and it probably will. That last was from Weather Underground. This is from AccuWeather.com, and you can clearly see here's your low-level circulation here. You can see a fair amount of good circulation with this, but a lot of dry air wrapping in now. So instead of the deluge they've been seeing over Florida, it's kind of like pinwheels of showers and thunderstorms, some of which can still be severe and produce some isolated tornadoes as Debby comes on shore here. Again, Debby here should move across in this fashion, exit the coast just south of Jacksonville or at Jacksonville, and then head on out. Look for this area right in here to pick up the most rain tonight into this evening, and then a little bit further up the coast, maybe Brunswick up to Savannah, and then probably won't get too much further north than that, and we'll see what happens with that. That's all I have for right now. This was your 3 o'clock update. Debby getting ready to make landfall here, right near Cedar Key, Florida, across Keys City area. Shouldn't be too terrible. 40 mile per hour, maybe some 50 mile per hour wind gusts, and we'll go from there. All right. This is wild weather here for liveweatherblogs.com. It was a beautiful sight, a nice little spin here of Tropical Storm Debby as she makes landfall at this hour.